How to pin a chat on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the main chat screen. Now find the conversation you want to pin. Long press on the chat, an options bar will appear at the top. Tap the pin icon, and voila, the chat is now pinned. Once pinned, that conversation will always stay at the top of the list, even if it doesn't receive new messages. This is especially useful for keeping important chats handy without having to search for them every time. You can pin up to 3 chats at the same time, and you can unpin them at any time by repeating the same procedure and selecting, remove, or unpin. It's a small trick, but really useful for better organizing your WhatsApp. Now that you know it, try it and always keep track of what matters most.